Hello and welcome to another unboxing at Gadgets 360. Today we have with us the Redmi Note 7S. We have the onyx black color with us, and this particular variant has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. So without any delay, let's check what we get inside the box. The first thing that we see is a sleeve that holds the usual paperwork and a soft TPU case. There's a SIM eject tool as well. Moving on, here's the device itself in all its glory. Let's boot it up and peel off the stickers. Let's put it aside for the moment and check what else we get in the box. There's a charging cable next. It's a USB Type-C cable. Good to see that. And finally the 10-watt power brick. So this is all we get inside the box of the Redmi Note 7S. This new smartphone has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus dot-notch display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9, much like the Redmi Note 7 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Under the hood there's the same 2.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC as the Redmi Note 7. Two variants of this new phone have been launched in India, one with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and the other with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Also, the storage is expandable using a microSD card of up to 256GB. Keeping the lights on is a 4000 mAh battery, and the new Redmi Note 7S also supports Quick Charge 2.0. Of course, the main highlight of the smartphone is its AI-enabled dual rear camera setup that comprises of 48 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8 coupled with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front there's a 13 megapixel camera to take care of your selfie needs. Moving on, this phone will come in 3 color options: onyx black, ruby red and sapphire blue. As for the pricing, the 3GB RAM variant has been priced at 10,999 rupees and the 4GB RAM variant has been priced at 12,999 rupees in India. Xiaomi will start selling the Redmi Note 7S in India through Flipkart, Mi.com and Mi Home stores from the 23rd of May, and this phone will also go on sale through Mi Studio and Xiaomi partner retail stores in the future. For more information on the Redmi Note 7S, visit our website gadgets360.com and stay tuned for our full review. Thanks for watching.